everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious chicken tikka recipe, and I'm going to make soy chicken tikka. It's so tasty and so delicious. It will be oilless, oil-free, and I'm going to make it in air fryer. I have a 2-pound boneless, skinless chicken breast. I cut it into smaller pieces, washed with the cold water. And let's see what are the ingredients we need. In this chicken recipe, I'm not going to use any salt because we're going to use soy sauce, hoisin sauce, so they have enough salt. And you always can adjust salt according to your taste. Ground ginger, granulated garlic, granulated onion, half teaspoon each. Parsley flake, 1 teaspoon. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce, and 2 tablespoons hot sriracha chili sauce. And let's start marinating chicken. Add ginger powder, garlic, onion, parsley flakes, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sriracha. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. The chicken is marinated for 2 hours. Prior to putting in the air fryer, mix it one more time. I'll open the air fryer and place the soy chicken. And we're going to make sure that spread it evenly. Once it's nicely spread out, I'll place it into the air fryer and we're going to close it. This one has a preset mode, so we're going to select chicken and we're going to cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 204 degrees Celsius, for 20 minutes. Start it. And we're going to cook for 10 minutes, then we're going to open it and we're going to turn the chicken tikka over and then we'll place it back again, and within 20 minutes soy sauce chicken tikka will be ready. It's exactly 10 minutes. I'm going to open it. We're going to mix it. We're going to make sure that we're going to turn them over. And spread it evenly. We'll place it back into the air fryer and it will start automatically where it left off. 10 minutes, then we'll come back. We are almost done. 1 more minute to go. It's all done and I'll open it. Look at our delicious soy chicken tikka is all done. Very moist, juicy. I have a serving plate ready and let me take it out. Our tasty and delicious, quick and easy, oil-free, oilless soy sauce chicken tikka is all ready. It's one of the quick and easy chicken appetizer. Please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.